storm is coming, but I'm prepared. I'll be gone for a while, but don't be scared. Right now, I don't know if I'll ever arrive where the grass is green and we're still alive. I hope I'll see you on the other side. I know that I'll be paid.
Hey Jesse, you down for a Sunday send?
Always.
Into the black hole. Sing for my soul.
Do or do not. There is no try. Get that right, Yoda. Gonna have to use the force on this one. Holy f***!
Into the black hole. Sing for my soul. Black hole. To make myself
Alright, my car's oh my god, the airbags went off! Hell yeah, brother.
Jesse, that was dope.
One take, all you need. Yeah, talk to that Matt Fair about your one takes. Alright, let's check the damage. Now all I gotta do is shove that back in, get me a piece of duct tape, and we're good for round 2.
We had to stuff it back in. Good as new. Let's get some tape.
It's a daily.
Jesse! Jesse! How's the car, man? I mean, honestly,
It's great.
Jesse, I promise to lend the best of my abilities to help fix your car.
No, she's fine, man. It's a daily sender.
It's a daily sender. Hey guys, catch us at Gambler 2020. You can come challenge us. Here's the bottom line, you guys. We are starting to take in user-submitted videos, which this is an example of user-submitted video, which we will then play once a week. We will choose the best user-submitted video and put it at the end of one of our videos every week, okay? The way you do this, first of all, I mean, we set the bar kind of
Pretty high.
yeah. Upload the video to your own YouTube channel, make it an unlisted link, send us the link to info@roadsuntraveled.com. The link is in the description. We'll take in those submissions. Grayson and I and the rest of the house here will look over the footage and decide what we think collectively is a great video, maybe do some commentary on it, shout out your Instagram at Jesse Cross on Instagram. Introduce yourself, your car, and then maybe, hey, if we're in your part of town, somewhere here in North America, the other side of Canada, middle of the States, you know, places we don't normally have the means to get to, it's a chance to kind of show off your ride on the channel, and we kind of want to give back and show some of your guys' rides as well, more than we already do, so.
Look forward to seeing your sends.
Yeah, Jesse will be judging. All right, you guys, see you soon. All right, you guys, I really hope you enjoyed this special episode. It's not really an episode. The whole point of this video, like we just mentioned, is to get user-submitted videos. Now, what we didn't tell you on the day that this happened, is that the jump kind of crippled Jesse's car a little bit. Now, if you guys remember, back in June, we went down to Oregon with that car and took it off-roading. We almost did 500 miles off-road for the Gambler 500. So, we are doing our biggest discount right now. Use the coupon code SAVETHEYETI, the link is in the description, on our store, shop.roadsuntraveled.com. We've got all our engine code jet tags, Roads Untraveled t-shirts, and a few other things up there. All the money that we get from the discount code from this sale is going to go to not only fix the Yeti, because the airbags went off, the radiator has a huge hole in it, the car's undrivable right now. So we want to make it to Gambler 500 2020 in Oregon, and to do that, we need to fix the car, and we want to make it better than ever. So all that money is going to go into the Yeti for upgrades and repairs and stuff like that. If you guys are down in Oregon in June 2020 and you want to join us on the Gambler 500, please do. We're going to bring a bunch more cars down this time with us, and you guys are more than welcome to join us. So it's going to be a good time. Link is in the description. Again, the coupon code is SAVETHEYETI, and I'm sure we can get the car back on the road. It's not too bad, but yeah, that jump was a little insane. So thanks guys for watching. We'll see you soon, and we've got a bunch of cool videos coming up this month, and then we'll be back down in LA in February.